Hydroemission scent film is a one-of-a-kind scent marketing product. It imparts a continuous ambient scent into the environment without machinery, electricity, or mechanical installation. More importantly, it is invisible after application, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. Activating the scent film for use is quick and easy. First, remove it from its packaging. From the V-notch, tear and split the inner silver bag between the red arrows. Then, squeeze out all the gel into the black bag. The scent film is now ready to be applied. Each scent film comes with a sleeve and a stiffener. The scent film should always be applied at the air return vent above the filter. If there are no air return vents, the scent film should be applied at the supply air vent. In both cases, the airflow rates of the air vent should be measured with a wind meter prior to the scent film application. The recommended wind meter model is Kestrel 1000. If the airflow rate is less than 1.5 meters per second, the scent film is applied as is. If the airflow rate is between 1.5 meters per second and 3 meters per second, the scent film needs to be inserted into the sleeve provided prior to application. If the airflow rate is greater than 3 meters per second, do not apply the scent film in that spot. Instead, look for another spot with a lower airflow rate. Application in linear air vent. Insert the scent film into the gap within the linear air vent with a plastic card. Straighten out the scent film and insert stiffener directly below the scent film. The stiffener prevents sagging of the scent film from the air vent. Up to 2 scent films can be applied every half a meter length of the linear air vent. To remove the scent film, simply pull out the stiffener followed by the scent film. Application in square air vent. Insert the scent film into the square air vent. Push it all the way in to ensure it is invisible. Up to 2 scent films can be applied in each square air vent. Please ensure they do not overlap. To remove the scent film, simply pull out the scent film with your hands or a pair of tweezers. Application in round air vent. Insert the scent film into the round air vent. Push it all the way into the vent to ensure it is invisible. Up to 2 scent films can be applied in each round air vent. Please ensure they do not overlap. To remove the scent film, simply pull out the scent film with your hands or a pair of tweezers. Application in rectangular air vent. Insert the scent film into the rectangular air vent. Push it all the way into the vent to ensure it is invisible. Up to 2 scent films can be applied in each rectangular air vent. Please ensure they do not overlap. To remove the scent film, simply pull out the scent film with your hands or a pair of tweezers. Application in cassette unit. Ensure the unit is switched off and open the grill. With a binder clip, attach the scent film to the filter. Close the grill. Up to 2 scent films can be applied in each cassette unit. Please ensure they do not overlap. To remove the scent film, simply reverse the steps. Application in split unit. Ensure the unit is switched off and open the front panel. Lift up the filter and place the scent film directly behind the filter. Replace the filter and close the panel. Up to 2 scent films can be applied in each split unit. Please ensure they do not overlap. To remove the scent film, simply reverse the steps.